Hello everyone, so in today's video, I'll show you guys on how to add a portfolio to your Upwork profile. So first, make sure that your Upwork account is logged in. Then once you're done, go to your profile. Click on the link there, then scroll down until you see this portfolio. So all you have to do now is click on this plus icon, and next, add a title. So you can add any title you want. So I will put my title as videos, the related job. So next you can either add a related Upwork job, so it's optional, so you can skip it if you want. And then completion date is also optional. So once you're done, just go to select template, and there are 3 template types that you can choose, either gallery, case study, or classic. You can choose either of these. I'll just go with gallery, and once you're done, press this that says go to add details, and next you can drop your videos here. So just click on this browse, it will open up your folder and add the videos there. So I'll just add this as an example, then it will start uploading. You can also add more if you want, so you just click on browse again, then add another one. And yeah, quick reminder that the video has to be less than 60 seconds. So yeah, you can also add a YouTube link or a Vimeo link if you want. Just click this button right here, and then you can attach a caption if you want. So what you can put is what your video is about. So I'll just enter sample video for now. Enter skills and deliverables, also optional. You can either type in photo editing, video editing, any skills you want, or they have suggested skills here at the bottom. You can also put in your project URL, and lastly, a project description. So what you can put here is what your video is about. So in this video, I made a tutorial on how to blah 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 blah. And then once you're done, click on go to preview, and then this is what will it look like on your Upwork profile. And then once you're ready to publish it, just click on publish, and then you are done. See, it is now in your Upwork profile. So that's pretty much it on how to add a portfolio on your Upwork profile. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.